Hello, little explorers. Today, we are going to discover some amazing secrets. Get ready for super light and super heat. Are you excited? Let's dive in. Look up. Meet our big helper, the sun. The sun is like a superhero because it gives us two magic gifts every day: light and heat. Without the sun, our world would be very dark and very cold. So, what is light? Light is magic that helps us see. When it's dark, we can't see our toys or our friends. But when the light turns on, everything becomes bright and clear. Thank you, light. The sun has a whole family of lights. At night, we have the stars, street lights, and lamps. We even have torches and headlights on cars to help us find our way in the dark. They are all part of the light family. Now, let's talk about heat. Heat is what keeps us warm. It also has a secret job. It dries our wet clothes after they are washed. If you feel the warm sunshine on your skin, that's heat giving you a big hug. Did you know that heat is a great chef? We use heat to cook all our yummy food. Whether it's soup or rice, heat makes it ready for us to eat. Nom nom. Stop. Even though heat is helpful, we must be very careful. Stay away from the hot stove or anything that feels very hot. It can burn your skin, so always ask a grown-up for help. Just like light, heat has a family too. In your kitchen, you can find the electric kettle, rice cooker, oven, and bread toaster. Even the electric iron is part of the family. They all work hard using heat. Some things are extra special. They belong to the Both Club. This means they give us light and heat at the same time. The sun is the leader. Other members are campfires and candles. They are bright and warm. Look at these magic roofs. They have solar panels that catch sunlight. They turn that light into electricity to power our lights and TV. It's like catching a piece of the sun to use at home. Time for a quick game. Fill in the blanks. The sun gives out underscore and underscore. Thank you for joining our super adventure today. Keep looking for light and feeling the warmth around you. See you next time, little scientists. Bye-bye.